Still pretty cold. Whatever.
Did you have a good night, buddy? Yeah? Bye-bye swing set.
Yeah. And they're gonna paint it up, make it real nice. You got all the toys, don't you? You have all the toys in the world? No, there's still plenty more to get, huh? Do you have any plans today, Cinnabon? Yeah? Hey, buddy. I'm about ready to go outside and cut the grass. Is that okay? I'd prefer you stay inside while I do that. Yeah. Do you get a nice snooze in while I was cutting the grass for you? Hey. You're a good kitty, aren't you? Get some treats for you. Get some treats for my little baby? Yeah. Surprised you haven't said anything about that. Very polite kitty, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're being a good kitty, aren't you? Just in time for turkey season, huh? I'm still working on my meal, yeah. Okay. My goodness. I'll let that rot. I'm not touching that. Watch out for the prickers. Gotta be careful, little buddy. Bye-bye.